Hi, my name is Stephen Pope and I'm myamazonguy.com. Today I'll be talking about enhanced content. So when you first start out building enhanced content, there are a couple things you need to keep in mind. First off, what is enhanced content? Enhanced content is the section from the manufacturer, so you can see that right here. This displays fairly low on the detail page of Amazon.com, so it's public facing and it's product specific typically. So this is one of my favorite examples of enhanced content. It's from Quest Chips, and they have quite a bit of enhanced content filled out. So like this is the, if you're gonna go all out in style, and they did that exactly here. So a couple things I like about what they did. They've got a generic branding hero banner up here. They give a branded message, so to speak. They give nutrition facts, some lifestyle imagery, where they kind of explain how it's made, why the consumer should care about the product. And then here's probably the coolest thing they did. They go through and compare all their products, right? So it's a choose your own adventure for all things Quest Chips. On the more basic side, another one I like is Craft House Smoker Boxes, and this again is from the manufacturer, and all they did was load 3 banners. Both of these work. Both of them improve conversion rates. The question is, how much design time and effort do you have? So if you don't have a lot of in-house design, you may want to go with an option like this. To do enhanced content, you have to have the brand registry. And to get the brand registry, you need to have a trademark. So if you're going to do this, you basically are doing it on products that you've invested in, built a brand around. So private labelers out there watching this video, make sure that this, if you're going to spend time on this, you need that trademark. So 6-month process to get a trademark, so get started on that today if you haven't already. But assuming you do have that trademark, you got the brand registry, and you're ready to roll, there are a few easy steps to follow. So first things first, you go to the section inside of advertising and hit enhanced brand content right here, and it loads this page. Type in the SKU of the product you want to get started on, and you can choose a template. So whatever template you're interested in doing, there are a variety of different options. So that Quest Chips, they were probably using one of the more advanced templates. With lots and lots of stuff going on. That Craft House example was definitely using a custom template where they just filled in 3 banners. So if you want to look and see kind of what that next step looks like, you can click on it. You can fill in the company logo, put a product description, plug and play some header, images, text, more images, more text. You get the idea. So if you've watched my storefront video, it's pretty much the same thing where you can plug and play assets and you can kind of plug those in wherever you want to go. You do have a little bit of styling available to you, some bold, italics, underlining, that kind of thing. A couple things to keep in mind. You cannot use any trademark symbols, can't reference your website, no .coms in there, and all the other typical Amazon terms and conditions also apply. From my experience, enhanced content is about a 5% conversion lift, so it's definitely worthwhile. Not everybody's doing it because it takes a lot of time and effort. When you're a business owner and trying to focus on making sure your inventory is just being in stock, it's difficult to do that. The other thing too is that a lot of sellers haven't even done the basics, like get multiple photos listed. So wholesalers and manufacturers, they've got like that one shot that they put in that giant catalog and they don't focus on the secondary images. Well, I wouldn't even begin enhanced content if you're a single image listing right now. I would do those secondary images first, because images up here at the top will have a greater impact on your conversion rate than anything else you could practically do. Enhanced content is definitely an advanced tactic, but it is palatable. So if you have any designer in-house, it's very easy to fill out one of these. If you don't, I would recommend using a custom template and then maybe going the Craft House route where you just fill in a few banner sizes. Go hire a guy off Fiverr, go hire a guy off Upwork, whatever it is, to get some of that design element done. Or hire a consultant like me, myamazonguy.com, and I'd be happy to help you with all of your Amazon needs, whether it's launching your account for the first time, growing your current sales if you're already an Amazon seller, or launching your brand registry, enhanced content, sponsored product ads, headline ads. I can help you with all of those things. So feel free to email me at steven@myamazonguy.com, and feel free to share this video with any other Amazon sellers out there, and like it so that I can get some traction. Appreciate your help and look forward to helping you. Thanks.